Your kidneys are vital to your overall health, and what you eat can make a significant impact. In this video, we'll explore 10 amazing foods that can help keep your kidneys in top shape. Common kidney problems include chronic kidney disease, which affects millions of people worldwide, and kidney stones, which can cause severe pain. Diet plays a significant role in preventing these issues. Let's dive into the top 10 foods that can help support kidney health. Bell peppers are an excellent choice, especially for their low potassium content. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as folic acid and fiber. These nutrients are vital for maintaining overall health, and the low potassium content is beneficial for those with kidney issues. Bell peppers can be eaten raw, grilled, or stuffed for a delicious and healthy meal. Cauliflower, a versatile vegetable, is perfect for a kidney-friendly diet. It's rich in fiber, vitamin C and K, B6, and folate. Cauliflower also contains compounds that help neutralize toxins in the body. Cauliflower can be mashed as a low-potassium alternative to potatoes, roasted for a crispy side dish, or blended into soups for a creamy texture. It's a fantastic way to add variety to your meals. Cranberries are renowned for their urinary tract benefits, which extend to kidney health. They help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can spread to the kidneys if left untreated. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation in the body. You can enjoy them as juice, add them to salads, or snack on dried cranberries. Just be sure to choose products with no added sugar. Fatty fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation and protecting kidney function. Omega-3s can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease, which is important for maintaining overall kidney health. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are great options. Grill, bake, or broil them for a healthy meal. Garlic is not just for flavor, it has amazing health benefits for your kidneys. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce cholesterol levels. Garlic is also known to have antioxidant and antibacterial properties, which can benefit overall health. Use fresh garlic in your cooking to enhance flavor and boost health benefits. An apple a day can indeed keep the doctor away, especially for your kidneys. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. Apples are also low in sodium and phosphorus, making them ideal for a kidney-friendly diet. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to salads, or use them in baking for a sweet treat. Olive oil is a healthy fat that's great for your kidneys. It's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil can help reduce inflammation and lower cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for kidney health. Use it in salad dressings, for cooking, or drizzling over vegetables. Please don't forget to subscribe in the channel, give us a like and comment your favorite food from this list. Next up, blueberries, packed with antioxidants. These small berries are rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and manganese. The antioxidants in blueberries help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which can benefit kidney health. Blueberries are also low in sodium and phosphorus, making them an ideal fruit for those with kidney issues. You can add them to your morning cereal, blend them into smoothies, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Eggs, a nutritional powerhouse. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for repairing tissues and maintaining muscle mass, especially important for kidney health. Egg whites, in particular, are low in phosphorus, making them a good choice for people with kidney disease. You can enjoy eggs boiled, scrambled, or as an omelette. They're versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Comment below with your favorite egg recipes. Last but not least, leafy green vegetables are essential for a kidney-friendly diet. Greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These greens are high in vitamins A, C, K, and folate, which support overall health. Incorporate them into smoothies, salads, or sautés to boost your nutrient intake. What's your favorite leafy green? Comment below. There you have it, 10 fantastic foods that support kidney health. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet is key to keeping your kidneys functioning optimally. Be sure to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.